go, family. It's a quick little video update on what we got going. 400. I got me some flat black. I sprayed all this stuff out of black plastic and black parts. Give it a fresh coat of paint. So everything can look fresh and new up against that fresh blue paint. Everything came out pretty good. Yep. Water pump, valve cover, and color match a lot of stuff. Got the new master cylinder in there. Got a new AC accumulator. So the next step is taking the body off the frame. I can figure out what color I'm gonna do the frame. And we're gonna get in here, we're gonna paint all these too. I don't know if I'm gonna do it blue or whatever color I'm gonna put on the frame. But we gotta get it cleaned up first. So I came up with the color. And we got the motor powered. Got most of the parts, internal parts, loaded up. We're gonna take to the guy that's gonna be overhauling the motor. And I didn't take the intake because that ain't gonna be able to go on the motor because we gotta lift it up, the chains, and intake gonna be in the way of the chain. And all this stuff it go on, all the accessories go on last, so I ain't taking none of that. But yeah, we rocking and rolling. I said pressure wash the motor too. Pressure wash the motor, and got the block painted before we dropped it off. Coming on long. 400 degrees, gonna be one of the hardest things in the street. Stay tuned.